Did you know that 80% of women feel their self-expression is often misunderstood or overlooked? A staggering figure, isn't it? This highlights the vital importance of self-expression, especially for women navigating through life's complexities. Our unique ways of expressing ourselves, be it through fashion, art, or culture, are integral parts of our identities, of who we are as individuals. It's about time we take back control, embracing our unique voices and identities. Now let's hear from some women who have taken control of their self-expression. We've talked to several women who are boldly expressing themselves through fashion, art, and culture. Let's dive into their stories. Meet Maria, a fashion designer who believes in the power of clothing to tell a story. Every stitch, every fabric choice, every color, she says, is a part of my narrative. She faced skepticism and criticism early in her career, but she stayed true to her vision. Today, her brand is synonymous with bold, unconventional designs that challenge the status quo. Then there's Aisha, an artist who uses her canvas to explore themes of femininity and strength. My art is an extension of my identity, she shares. It's a reflection of my experiences as a woman in a world that often tries to silence us. Despite facing numerous hurdles, Aisha's work has been exhibited in galleries across the country, eliciting powerful conversations about gender and power. And let's not forget about Lila, a cultural anthropologist who uses her research to challenge societal norms. Culture isn't static, she argues. It's constantly evolving, and women are at the forefront of that change. Lila has dedicated her life to amplifying the voices of women in various cultures, showcasing their resilience and creativity. Each of these women has faced her own set of challenges, but they all share a common thread: the courage to express themselves authentically. They've embraced their individuality, using fashion, art, and culture as powerful tools of self-expression. These women have taken their self-expression into their own hands, and the results are nothing short of inspiring. Now, it's your turn. What does self-expression mean to you? Self-expression is an incredible journey, one that is deeply personal and entirely unique. It's the way you choose to present yourself to the world, to express your thoughts, your feelings, and your experiences. It can take many forms, from the clothes you wear to the art you create, from the words you speak to the passions you pursue. And each form of self-expression can have a profound impact on your personal growth and self-confidence. It can help you understand yourself better, push your boundaries, and celebrate your individuality. The beauty of self-expression is that there are no rules. It's about being fearless, embracing who you are, and owning your narrative. So take a step. Explore your own self-expression. Experiment, create, and express. Be bold, be brave, be you. Remember, your self-expression is a powerful tool. Use it to tell your story, to show who you are, and to inspire others. It's time to take control of your narrative.